Hello. Here I have a Deckel centering microscope. So it have an ISO 40 or SK40 taper with an S20x2 thread for the Deckel machine. This microscope is made by Hensoldt Wetzlar. There's lighting. And this one have an ergonomic feature that you can rotate the eyepiece to a comfortable position. Concentric rings. And there's a special accessory. It has the Edgefinder. There's this beautiful piece of tool which you can put against your workpiece here. On this side there's a line which gives the edge. So on the microscope you can align this line here with the crosshairs in your microscope to find the edge of your workpiece here. Yeah. Yeah, it's in a beautiful condition. Beautiful clear view. This is good, of course. This is the Deckel connection. Okay, thank you for watching.